Hello guys, it's Lonicel Olidlo here. Mag-unbox po tayo ng bagong wireless microphone ng Maono Wave T5. Ayan, ito na po siya. Tan 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 tan. Wave T5 ng Maono. Ayan siya guys. Ding 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 ding. Alright. Hirap naman ito. Chut chut chut. Oopsie daisy. Ako. Saglit na natin. Ayan siya. Oops. Wrong way. Oopsie daisy. Lagyan natin dyan. Ito yung, ayan, may bag. Iwan ko ng laman ito. Nice pouch. See, it's kind of leather. It looks like charging USB Type-C. And this looks like magnetic necklace holder chain type thing if you wanna hang your microphone into your neck or something. Tapos some leaflets and user guide, and it comes with a really nice box, secured box. Ayan eh. We're gonna open. Oops. We're just gonna remove this one. Sorry, it's a tight space. Wait a second. Tada! Ayun. Ayan siya. Oops. It needs to get charged a bit. Inopen ko kasi ito kanina. Ayan siya. Oh. Ito yung parang camera reader. Receiver. Yung receiver niya. Tsaka ito naman yung actual microphone. Tapos meron siyang magnet dito sa likod. You can attach it to your shirt, yung mga sa damit mo. Yeah, oh, very powerful. Like that. Oops. Like that. It's really cool. There you can put your stuff in there as well. So it comes with loads of clips, and there's a lightning, there's a Type-C, and meron siyang mga dito parang kung gamitin sa mahangin. Ayan, para siyang air muffs or something, parang pantakip, like especially gamitin mo sa outdoor. Ayan. Ito din another Type-C, Type-C connector, at saka ito naman for, I think ito yung another connection, like if you're using a camera or something. This yung mga ang tawag nito, tawag ng DSL camera. Ayan, may siya, jack, so different type of connector. Ayan siya, diba? I'm not so familiar with it, but that's how to use. Ayan. Ayan, gusto ko lang ipakita yung ano niya, forma niya. I still don't know how to use it, but yeah, I'm excited. So that's the new Maono Wave D5 for 2025. Alright, I love the case for it. And so that's it, guys. I hope you like it, and just need to try it and see if it's actually worth it. But I've seen some of the review, it's actually really good. So it's very affordable, guys. So you can buy it direct to the supplier or do it Amazon or anywhere. Just type in the Maono Wave D5 and it'll give you the actual price. So it's very affordable, and apparently it's so powerful EI wireless microphone. Halimbawa, if you're vlogger, podcaster, streamer, gamer, so any broadcaster, so apparently it's worth it. But thank you so much.